to be a bit more offensive, but also
this game, and they've certainly produced. They've come in for a lot of criticism throughout the season, but when it comes down to it, their numbers never lie. They say men and women can lie, numbers never lie, and hoping that their fans will be entertained. Mr. Kestuar blows his whistle. It's a Makosi that gets us underway there in their gold shirts and black next season. My goodness, talk about a man on fire. He is making it near impossible for Ugo Bruce to ignore him. But look at this again.
my goodness, that is unbelievable. I mean, how much time do you have to react to that and be able to get up and make a second save at that? That is incredible. This is why he's been doing this whole season, TT.
Oh, the reflex. That came in at him. I mean, of course, it came straight at him, but the save still had to be made and he had to react
To his right. Mfundo Vilagazi was already making progress in a bit of space in front of him. Should have done better.
They could be in again. Did that take a deflection? Is that a corner? Yeah, it is indeed. This is great passing from Kaizer Chiefs.
Wonderful work by my boy. Yes, took a deflection as the defender sliced it down.
AmaZulu play this one out. Red took Smela. Allen inviting Makongolo to do some running, and of course he will do just that. Cracks on the gas. He's won a corner of Aiden McCarthy.
Looks where he picks up the ball. You think he's going to be on the right, but he's dropped so narrow. But excellent work by McCarthy. He couldn't have anticipated.
Brother of Marumo Gallants and Orbit College, and if Orbit College Marumo to win this great run, and that's surely will be a caution. No, Mr. Castor is taking a very lenient view of things. He's given the free kick. That was a great run by Chisley.
I think it was a cross.
It really was Bradley Cross.
Yes, there's a fix it up there. Look how he weaved his way here. And he was about to unleash here with his stronger left foot.
And for him to try and get it over the wall and get it to dip or get it around the wall. And you can see in there for maybe giving him something to aim at. Goes for goal. Always rising was that one.
If you try and get it over the wall, you must know that the ball is going to be a little bit slower. It gives it an opportunity to the goalkeeper to shuffle across the face of goal and make a save. But if you try and bet, it's quick and straightforward, which doesn't allow them to hold on to the ball much. That's another.
Look at this again, getting in behind the defense of AmaZulu. Look at a chance! Great defense from Chiefs as Kylie manages to get it to Hadebe. Hadebe teasing cross, and a save there from well, he was cut out really by Peterson as a shot comes in and skews on the side of a boot from Keegan Allen, from Liam Byrne. Great passage of play for AmaZulu once again. Looks so dangerous.
Transition once again. The speed of attack has really been unbelievable for AmaZulu. Chiefs have been found wanting with the numbers defensively. Cross once again provides good cover in the central part, which is the real instinct of a fullback to help defensively.
Ball in there. It was a crucial intervention there from Peterson, as there was danger lurking at the back post if he hadn't cut that one out. This man just she's pumped from side to side. Great turn there from Adel. What a player he is. What a player. Here's another. This is good football. Adel teeing it up and running one.
More experience in that whole lot, and he was scoring goals on a regular.
Join Discovery Insure and get up to 50% fuel cashback every month for driving well.
aces.
Time we went also at the time that he got injured, he had scored 6 goals for AmaZulu. But that's a dangerous looking ball. He gets a touch on it as Brendan Peterson flies through the air and gets something on it.
And guess what? Chances to play once again from AmaZulu. And Frostler on the right hand side with
Great pass from Kaboko da Silva. Tries to fire a shot in by Mabue. Now Zimela got really lucky there. As he parried that one. See what happens here. Zimela gets a very lucky, a great egg. You can see what the foot of Letters is trying to bend it to that back post, to that far post there, Williamson.
You know what? I know it might seem like it because it could have gone anywhere, but the fact that he was able to manage the bounce.
Rare save before. All right, to Zimela this afternoon. Now, AmaZulu go the other way. And Chiefs have to chase back. Makawol. Makawol chance! Brandon Peterson! Not today! Not this week!
You say that is quality of a goalkeeper as we look into this one that Peterson saves on the other end. Because when the ball drops in front of you like that, you don't know where it's going to go. So you've got to balance your hands to make sure that at least you got a little bit of the ball. Lucky when you sit too far back, it means AmaZulu comes up easily. But when you're that close, it means you have a chance to press the game.
Vilagazi again. Chestnut. Vilagazi's ball in. Chestnut throwing himself at it. Wow! Excellent from Mzimela. Suddenly Mzimela getting busy now.
It's got work. And Froster, I like what he's doing. And maybe he could have taken even the first time shot yet, but still he produces a decent shot to get the goalkeeper to do some work here.
Yeah.
But for me, my only worry is
Like to see maybe Chiefs throw in a few more attacking players. Likewise from AmaZulu. Nothing to lose here. That's great football. That's a beautiful goal! And it's glory for glory! Yileko! The Chiefs finally make the breakthrough. Wonderful build-up. The assist on that one was a thing of beauty.
did he get a booking earlier?
He did. I think he did. The Lepo was booked. Yes, that's why. You can see Morris telling him, put it back on, he's gone.
Didn't you just want to rip your shit apart? Oh, man.
A case of, I think I get that.
Say that again?
Right after season. But look at this. This is wonderful football here. He starts the move actually. And excellent from should I say, Fundo Vilagazi.
Yeah.
And the finish though was brilliant.
Listen, he doesn't even use the laces or anything. Sides,
Yeah.
which gives it a bit more accuracy. But also, Mzimela, I think he gets caught a little bit to the inside.
On the near post, he'll
Yeah.
be disappointed. Mzimela will be disappointed. AmaZulu have had the best chances, but it's Kaizer Chiefs that take the lead. With this man who duly departs the scene for taking his share of competitions. That's a massive cheer that the Chiefs fans recognize and appreciate.